All right, what's going on everybody? My name is Brendan Murphy, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a tip that might help you when it comes to handling your losses, not feeling so bad about them, which will allow you to stay more rational, make better decisions moving forward, and increase the likelihood that you're going to have profitable trades in the future. So as a day trader, we're self-employed. That means we are running our own business. Our business just happens to be day trading. And if you adopt this mindset and you think about your day trading as running your business, number one, you're going to take it more seriously and you're going to devote more time and effort to it. So that's just going to improve your results in and of itself. But further than that, if you think about running a business, every single business has business expenses. If they have an office, they're going to have to pay for office supplies, they're going to have to pay for the rent, the internet, the lighting, the water, electricity, and then they're going to, if they sell products, they have to pay for the cost of the products before they sell it. No matter what business you're in, there are business expenses involved. With trading, our business expense are the losses that we take. So every time we make a trade and we take a loss, rather than thinking, oh man, I'm so fucking shit, I shouldn't have taken that trade, that was terrible and now I feel bad, what you should think of, all right, well, that was a business expense. That was a necessary expenditure of running my day trading business, and that allows me to make good trades, which are profitable, and that's what makes me money. Now, is this a magic tip that's going to instantly transform you from unprofitable to profitable? No. But is it going to allow you to stay a lot more calm, be less emotionally volatile, and improve your results down the track? I'd say yes. I learned this tip quite a few years ago. I don't remember where from. It might have been from one of the books, Trading in the Zone, or one of the psychology books. I can't remember the bloke's name. It's quite hard to pronounce. There's a U in there somewhere maybe. But when I saw this, I was like, holy shit. Yeah, I can think about losses like that. And once I started doing that, I was like, okay, this is just a business expense. Let's move on and sell the product, make a good trade. And the other thing that I just thought about right now as I am making this video is you can also think about your losses as expenses for a lesson. So if, for example, there are a ton of courses out there on day trading, and with those courses on day trading, you are paying for a lesson that's going to help you improve your trading. Every loss you take comes with a lesson. So think of that loss as a business expense, but also that business expense might have been paying for a course that teaches you a lesson. So if you take a $100 loss, I just bought a $100 course that's going to teach me the lesson to avoid that loss again. And if you do that every single loss, not only are you going to be more positive, more rational going forward, but you're also going to be getting valuable lessons to avoid making the same mistake again. So hopefully this video helped you to stay calm when you're having losses. If it did, please like, comment, and well, that looks like a dislike. Don't do that. Comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, you can see my professional services at mie.trade. Thank you very, very much for watching the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.